All right, so this is where we left off. So we're going to start by adding a little crown type thing. And when I say crown, I don't mean like a king's crown. It's like these little poofy things that, you know, birds kind of have on the top of their heads, okay? So I'm cutting out a shape that kind of looks like this. Okay, so in relationship to my bird, it's about that big. I don't know if you can see that very well, but looks like that, okay? And then I'm going to take the top of that and I'm going to cut out some pieces so it looks like he's got little pieces of hair. So hopefully you can see this pretty well. Little pieces of hair. So I'm cutting out little triangles out of it so it looks like it's going to be fuzz, little fuzzy hairs here. Okay, so I've got something that looks like that. And I'm going to grab my glue stick here. I'm going to glue this onto the top of his head, and then I'll show it to you. Okay, so he's got this little fuzzy here. I think I want it to tip back a little more on the top of his head, okay? See why they call it a crown? It kind of does look like a crown. And then we're going to do his legs. So take your little square of black. Hopefully you've got these. They were all over there. And just really simply do a long skinny strip. Okay. And then I'm going to hold it up here to my bird. Okay. And I'm going to figure out how long I want to make it to make two legs right there. So I'm going to tuck it underneath my bird and then make it touch the top of my branch. So then I don't want them too close together. I want to spread them out a little bit. So like that. Okay. And then I want you to take and make little tiny, I guess, claws, talons. Isn't that what they're called? I don't know. You'll have to ask your teacher. She's smarter than I am. And make little tiny talons to glue onto there. So I cut little pieces of black. I'm gluing them on to make it look like my birdie is holding on to this little twig so he does not fall off. That would be a sad day. Okay, there he is. All right, then we're going to take the yellow and make a beak. Okay, and I'm just going to cut down a little square here. So I kind of want to lay it on my bird so I kind of have an idea of how big I want to make him, kind of figure it out. And I want to kind of go like this and make this long triangle first. Okay, and if I laid that on there right now, it would look just like this. Okay, I don't know if you can see that. Okay, I want it to be cuter than that though. So what I want to do is I want to come in and make this more be a little bit of a diamond shape like this. Okay, hopefully you can see that. And then glue that on my birdie. Okay, see how that looks very beak-like? To do more than just a triangle, make it be a diamond like that. Okay, so hopefully you got that. Then I'm going to take a little bit of black, and cardinals are kind of known for having a mask. So I kind of want to lay this up against, I'm going to lay it up against my beak to make sure I make it wide enough. Okay, and then I'm going to kind of go like this. He kind of looks like he's wearing sunglasses. Like that. Okay, but that's really what cardinals look like. And then I want to put just a little bit of eye on there. So I'm just going to take a little piece of white and make a little circle. Not very big. Hopefully you guys can cut that. It's pretty little. And put that little circle there. Oop. Ah, I stuck it to my glue. Okay, so he has that little bit of that eye right there. Okay, there's his little thing. Now I'm going to make him a wing. And I expect this to take you guys longer, so don't get upset. If I'm not planning on you keeping up with me, you just pause whenever you need to and make. So I made a shape like this, and then I'm going to come in here and cut those like that, and then I'm going to bend them up just a little bit so they kind of come off my paper a little, okay? Then I'm going to glue them on the front part and let the back not be sticky, so those stick out a little bit. And I'm going to put that right there. Okay, so hopefully you can see his little beak right there. Okay, there is our birdie. All right, I hope you're happy with him. The last step is to come in here. See, I can see those sticking off. Come in and trim those off. Any pieces you've got that stick over the edge, trim it off just a little bit. And there is your bird. I hope you're happy with those. I think they're super cute. And finish those off, and then we'll start a new project next time. Okay.